A wise man once said, "A bad workman blames his tools," but in today's world, I would argue a bad desk setup kills productivity. So, with that said, here's a quick tour of my tiny desk setup that I use for coding and a bit of video editing. Starting with the brain and heart of the setup, the MacBook M1 Air 2020. Yeah, that's a mouthful. And it's just the best motor, man. I wish it was the Pro though. It is what it is. I chose it as my intro to the Mac ecosystem after a lifetime of using Windows. My experience, honestly, very impressed and slightly disappointed. Why, you might ask? It does straddle under heavy load, but considering the price to performance, it's really not a big issue. What still fascinates me is how such a small laptop delivers solid performance both plugged in and unplugged, unlike my old gaming laptop that basically needed to live on a charger 24/7. But I'm not here to review the MacBook. This is a desk tour, so let's move on. Next up is the keyboard. I won't lie, this one really surprised me. It's the Red Dragon mechanical keyboard. It's heavier and a bit pricier than my previous keyboard, but hey, you buy what your budget allows, right? No complaints. The typing experience, the clicky sound, and the RGB all come together to make coding way more enjoyable. For the mouse, there's not much to say, it just works. It is not flashy or unnecessarily expensive like the MX Master, but it fits my hand well, and the build quality is solid. Fun fact, I've dropped it a lot, but it still works perfectly, like Jake Paul getting beat up by AJ and still getting up, right? Okay, that was a terrible joke. Let's just move on. One of my favorite pieces of gear here is my Boya microphone, which I brought with me from Egypt. It really doesn't disappoint. In fact, I'm recording this video with it, and almost every other video on the channel. This mic basically carried the channel from day one, and it's still holding strong, no complaints at all. Next is the fan, because coding makes you sweat, and I live in a dry, hot region. Sometimes it genuinely feels like you are being fried alive. So this thing comes in clutch. The twin brother to the Boya mic is my Logitech C920. I call them twins because together they help push my channel forward. I use them for all my live streams, which honestly contributed to 80% of this channel's growth. To connect everything, I use two dongles, and they've saved me from throwing my MacBook in the trash. Why? Because Apple somehow thought shipping a laptop with only two Type-C ports was a good idea. Even though most peripherals still use Type-A. That's insane, right? I also keep cleaning spray and a brush nearby. You spend money on your setup, you should take care of it. I keep lip balm and an oil perfume as well, just to smell good and protect my crusty lips. Now the elephant in the room, my perfume, man. This thing smells so good. It lasts 2 days. Not really 2 days, but it is what it is. You honestly have to smell it to believe it, man. My wallet is always on the desk too, man. I value it a lot. You can tell. I've had it for years. It's even starting to age and peel. And yeah, a little money flex to motivate y'all. This tiny camera controller lets me start recording without touching my phone, which is super useful when the phone's on the tripod. One click and boom, we're recording. For my phone, I rotate between two cases. A brown one that doubles as a mini stand when I'm watching YouTube, and a black one that's lighter and feels better in the hand. My shades are mostly for drip, but they also useful for long streams when the ring light is starting to attack my eyes, man, you know. This washed out notebook is basically my soul, man. I write ideas, notes, and random thoughts in it. Everything lives there. The cloth is just for wiping sweat and cleaning the desk, nothing fancy. I'm also recording this vlog on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, so yeah, phone mention secured. Finally, the foundation of everything, my chair, man. I sit here anywhere from 4 to 8 hours a day. It is not the most comfortable, but it gets the job done. And as soon as I get money, I'm upgrading to something more ergonomic. So yeah, that's my desk setup, man. So let me know what you guys think. Drop any suggestions, and yes, I'll get a monitor soon. I just need to save money up first, you feel me? So that's gonna be it, man. Like, subscribe, do whatever you wanna do. Let's get it, man.